السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. نحن طلاب جامعة القرى، تخصص الصحة العامة، طلاب السنة الثانية بالليل، بإشراف الدكتور أنس دبلول. يسعدنا أن نقدم لكم عرض عن الفطريات. راح نتكلم عن مقدمة في علم الفطريات، راح نعرف ما معنى الفطريات، ونتكلم عن الهيكل للفطريات، مميزات الفطريات، وراح نتكلم كذلك كيف تتكاثر الفطريات، أنواع الفطريات واستخداماتها. Introduction. The word fungus is from the Latin word for mushroom, which is also similar to the Greek word for sponge. Indeed, the familiar mushroom is a reproductive structure used by only some of the fungi. There are many fungal species that don't produce mushroom at all. Fungi are eukaryotic organisms that include microorganisms such as yeast, molds, and mushrooms. These organisms are classified under kingdom fungi. The organisms found in kingdom fungi contain a cell wall and are omnipresent. They are classified as heterotrophs among living organisms. The structure of fungi can be explained in the following points. 1. Almost all the fungi have a filamentous structure except the yeast cells. 2. They can be either single, cold, or multicellular organisms. 3. Fungi consist of long thread-like structure known as hypha. These hypha together form a mesh-like structure called mycelium. 4. Fungi possess a cell wall, which is made up of chitin and polysaccharide. Characteristics of fungi. Following are the important characteristics of fungi. 1. Fungi are eukaryotic, non-vascular, non-mottled, and heterotrophous organisms. 2. They may be unicellular or filamentous. 3. They reproduce by means of spores. 4. Fungi lack chlorophyll and hence cannot perform photosynthesis. 5. The modes of reproduction is sexual or asexual. 6. Some fungi are parasitic and can infect the host. 7. The nuclei of the fungi are very small. The classification of fungi. Kingdom fungi are classified based on different modes. The different classification of fungi is as follows. Based on mood nutritions. On the basis of nutrition, kingdom fungi can be classified into three groups. 1. Saprophytic. 2. Parasitic. 3. Symbiotic. The saprophytic means the fungi obtain their nutrition by feeding on dead organic substance. 2. The parasitic means the fungi obtain their nutrition by living on their living organisms, plants or animals, and absorb nutrition from their host. 3. The symbiotic means these fungi live by having an interdependent relationships with other species in which both are mutually benefited. Kingdom fungi are classified into other following based on the formation of spores. 1. Zygomycetes. These are formed by the fusions of two different cells. The sexual spores are known as zygospores, while the asexual spores are known as anomorph. 2. Basidomycetes. Mushrooms are the most commonly found basidomycetes and mostly live as parasites. Sexual reproduction occurs by basidospores. Reproduction. The reproduction in fungi is both bisexual and asexual means. The sexual mode of reproduction is referred to as telomorph, and the asexual mode of reproduction is referred to as anamorph. The asexual reproduction means this takes place with the help of spores, called conida or zoospores or sporangiopores. And the sexual reproduction means this occurs by ascospores, basidospores, and oospores. Uses of fungi. These following are some of the important uses of fungi. 1. Recycling, which means they play a major role in recycling the dead and decayed matter. And the food, which means the mushroom species which are cultured, are edible, and are used as food by humans. Medicines. There are many fungi that are used to produce antibiotic and to control disease in humans and animals. And penicillin antibiotic is derived from a common fungus called Penicillium. There are five phyla of fungi: Chitromycota, Zygomycota, Glomeromycota, Ascomycota, Basidiomycota. وأخيرا هذه مراجع التي تم فيها استخلاص منها بعض المعلومات. في الختام أتمنى أن نكون قد وفقنا في تقديم وتصميم وشرح هذا العرض. أسأل الله لنا ولكم التوفيق والسداد. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.